Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
की आमकां कोणाक कंसल्ट करना. आय स्टँड बाय मम्मी स्टेटमेंट. आमचे फायनली यूटी मिनिस्टरचा बॉस आणि सीएमान देखील काल क्लॅरिफाय केलं की सगळं सिस्टमॅटिक केलं. पण हांव नको सिस्टमॅटिक कितें केलं. देर नो सिक्वन्स एट ऑल. There is sequence today. Margao A-class council, Vasco A-class council. Margao separate, Vasco separate. What is nonsense?
So you want to say that the entire reservation has been done haphazardly without taking consideration into local politics?
It's not local person. You should go as per the act. As per the act, it is 1/3 reservation. 1 point. Second is you have to distribute the 1/3. You can have 1/3 in Vasco and Develoment. That is actually distributed. And tomorrow, if the chairperson lady, then what happens? Right now, you must take a decision in the larger interest of the party. Even if you drop the ministry, you must drop him and take over the portfolio.
तुम्ही म्हणतात जाय जाल्यार कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टराक ड्रॉप करात, बट पुट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ पार्टी अबव एव्हरीथिंग एल्स.
Party, right, you're right.